Hey Facebook, it's Elena from Powertrain Products. Today we wanted to talk to you guys about one of our remanufactured engines that we just had sent in for one of our local customers. This is the remanufactured Chevy Vortec 350 long block. Similar to our other long blocks, it does come with the block, heads, timing components, oil pump, and gasket set. A few specs about this engine, however, are that we do use the hyper-eutectic coated pistons to prevent the scuffing. We use the all-new timing set. We use a plastic intake manifold with a rubber inlay as opposed to the paper ones, and we only use the Vortec heads that don't break. So overall, pretty clean engine. If you would like to talk to a rep about pricing for this, you can give us a call. Our number is 888-842-0023. Or as always, you can get quoted on our website as well, which is powertrainproducts.net.